consideration is the thickness of the box, the thickness of the BMS. As you can see, it's a little short, so we're going to take that, probably just re-glue another piece of plastic and another. I'm going to print another one out. Just waiting for it to preheat here, and we're going to make this one a little bit deeper. But, yeah, I didn't take into consideration the size of the BMS itself, but it will work. Just not with this lid. I mean, by the time I clamp it and glue it, it's gonna spring a leak. So let's print out another one. Well, this video was short but sweet for a second half. Basically, as you can see here, I printed it out a little bit thicker. And then what I did is I took a hot iron and basically remelted the PLA all the way around with the clamps, which actually works pretty good. PLA melts pretty good and fuses together. So it's plastic welding is definitely recommended with PLA. But what all I have to do is basically put a thin film of silicone around it and around the cables just to sort of seal it. I don't want 100% sealed. I just want it for protection. So, but you can see through the window with charging and everything else. So it turned out pretty good. It's much better than nothing. So look on the side there. Turned out pretty good. Later, guys.